The 2017 Infiniti Q60 Coupe. A full year has passed since Infiniti showcased the Q60 Concept, and the production car has finally arrived at the 2016 Detroit Auto Show. Not surprisingly, the coupe is nearly identical to the what appeared to be a production-ready concept back in 2015, with only minor changes setting the two apart. Styling aside, the new car is more powerful and efficient than the model it replaces, while its interior is more in line with those seen in similarly sized coupes from BMW or Mercedes-Benz. Other important changes besides the revised engines in the drivetrain department are the absence of a manual gearbox and a drive mode selector with no fewer than 6 settings. The new Q60 also comes with a lower center of gravity and a revised suspension system, both of which should make it more nimble than its predecessor and a better competitor to German coupes. The redesigned Q60 will go on sale late this summer for the 2017 model year. Until that happens, let's have a closer look at the new coupe in the comprehensive review below. Updated 9 September 2016, Infiniti revealed prices for the most powerful version in the Q60 lineup, aka the Red Sport 400. The company also revealed the car will begin arriving at Infiniti retailers nationwide this month. Continue reading to learn more about the 2017 Infiniti Q60 Coupe. Exterior. As I previously mentioned, the production Q60 is nearly identical to the concept. This means it blends styling cues seen on both the Q80 Inspiration Concept and the Q50 Eau Rouge prototype, and the result is pretty aggressive but stylish at the same time. The front fascia is what makes the Q60 one of the sportiest looking coupes in its class, particularly because of the big engine grille and the squinty headlamps. The chrome grille surround give it a premium appearance, as do the chrome and black inserts around the fog lamps. The latter are actually new compared to the concept, as Infiniti changes the whole apron on the production car, replacing the split bumper with a more familiar piece. The chrome grille surround give it a premium appearance, as do the chrome and black inserts around the fog lamps. Around back, Infiniti kept both the sinusoid-shaped taillights and the protruding trunk lid spoiler on the production car, which is very cool, as it makes the Q60 stand out even when compared with fresh models such as the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. The only noticeable change is below the license plate, where the massive exhaust outlets of the concept have been replaced by round pipes. The apron is also different, but I think that the redesigned piece here makes the car look sportier than the concept. Compared to the outgoing model, the new Q60 is lower and wider. This not only makes it look better on the road, but it also provides a lower center of gravity. The coupe also rolls on new wheels and, for the first time, it can be ordered with 20-inch alloys. Overall, the redesigned Q60 looks powerful and elegant, and its daring styling will most definitely help it stand out no matter where it's parked. Exterior dimensions. Interior. While the exterior is heavily based on the concepts, the interior is not as fancy. In fact, the cabin is nearly identical to the Q50's, which makes sense given the two vehicles ride on the same platform and share many features. Compared to the concept, the production model lost the fancier A/C vents and door handles, the more refined controls on each side of the touchscreen, and the slightly updated lower section of the center stack. Infiniti also dropped the cleaner center console. The new wheel features a new center section, a chrome spoke at the bottom, and revised, better-looking buttons. On the other hand, the steering wheel carried over unchanged from the concept, and that's a massive improvement over the Q50's. The new wheel features a new center section, a chrome spoke at the bottom, and revised, better-looking buttons. It also looks a tad sportier, which goes well with the coupe's more aggressive stance. The door panels are also new compared to the Q50, having received redesigned handles, new buttons, and new trim. Depending on the model, the Q50 comes with either aluminum and black wood or carbon fiber. Buyers who choose the white or red leather will get silver glass fiber inserts on the center console and door panels like seen in the photo above. Other enhancements include better sound insulation and noise cancellation, an upgraded infotainment system, and a brand new 13-speaker Bose audio system on the options list. Drivetrain. Engine-wise, the Q60 comes in 3 flavors. The base model gets a turbocharged 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder engine rated at 208 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Next in line is a 3.0-liter V6 pumping 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet. Finally, the range-topping model gets the same V6, but tweaked to deliver 400 horses and 350 pound-feet of twist. All 3 engines mate to a 7-speed automatic transmission. The previous 6-speed manual is no longer available as an option. Want to row your own gears? Tough luck, kid. The base model gets a turbocharged 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder engine rated at 208 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Performance figures aren't yet available for the coupe, but Infiniti did publish fuel economy estimates for each engine. The 4-banger is said to return up to 24 mpg combined, while the V6 models are estimated at 23 mpg and 22 mpg, respectively. We'll be back with more info as soon as Infiniti spills the beans. In the suspension department, the new Q60 gets revised shock absorbers, a new link layout, and new tuning for the shocks and bushings. Infiniti also offers a new digital dynamic suspension with adaptive dampers and stiffer crossmembers. A drive mode selector enables the driver to dial through 6 settings, including a customize option for those not happy with the standard presets. The available all-wheel drive system, which provides enhanced stability for greater traction in low grip conditions by distributing torque 50-50 between front and rear wheels in its default setting, should improve the overall experience in just about any weather condition. Drivetrain specifications. Safety. Infiniti has yet to release extensive info about the Q60 safety systems, but it did mention that the coupe is equipped with active and passive features such as around view monitor, intelligent cruise control with distance control assist, forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure prevention, blind spot intervention, and backup collision intervention. Prices. There will be 6 different versions of the Infiniti Q60 here in the US. Starting off the list is the Q60 2.0T, which commands $38,950. Going with the 2.0T Premium will set you back $41,300, while the 3.0T, with its turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, will set you back $44,300. All 3 trim levels come standard with rear-wheel drive, but can be had with all-wheel drive for an extra $2,000 across the board. You'll also get hit for taxes, license, and a $905 destination fee. Pricing for the Red Sport 400 starts from $51,300 with rear-wheel drive, while the AWD version checks in at $53,300. Pricing table. Competition. BMW 4 Series. In order to make a name for itself, the new Q60 will have to take on the BMW 4 Series. Arguably the most popular sports coupe in the compact segment, the 4 Series can be had with a variety of engines, starting with a base 2.0-liter 4-banger rated at 240 horsepower and 252 pound-feet of torque. There's also the 435 IS 3.0-liter inline-6 with 300 horsepower and 300 pound-feet, and the range-topping M4, also using a 3.0-liter inline-6, but tweaked to generate 425 horses and 406 pound-feet. Pricing for the 4 Series starts from $41,650. Read more about the BMW 4 Series here. Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. Brand new for the 2017 model year, the C-Class Coupe debuted at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show with new styling and engines borrowed from the sedan. In the US, the German coupe will hit showrooms as the C300, with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder sending 240 horsepower and 273 pound-feet to the wheels. At least one more powertrain will be added in the future, not including the turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 that injects up to 503 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of twist, the high-performance AMG C63 version. Pricing for the base model is expected to start from around $41,000. Find out more about the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe here. Conclusion. While the previous Q60 was no match for the BMW 4 Series or even the slightly dated Audi A5, the redesigned Infiniti appears to have a better chance at giving its German competitors a run for their money. The coupe definitely looks better, it's a lot more powerful, and the new chassis settings should also make it sportier. Sure, it won't be as nimble as the 4 Series or the brand new C-Class coupe, but it shouldn't fall too far behind. If anything, the Q60 has the means to stand out thanks to its bold design, a feature the current 4 Series can no longer brag about after more than 3 years on the market. The Infiniti might come with a major issue, though, in the sense that it could be more expensive than the Beamer and the Merc. And that's not good. Not when you have an Infiniti badge. Love it bold, concept-based design, significantly updated chassis, powerful V6. Leave it a bit too expensive for the badge, interior too similar to the Q50, needs a high-performance version, update history. Update July 28, 2016, Infiniti has announced pricing and reservation program for the 2017 Q60 Coupe. Check out the prices section below for all the details.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.